Dara. This was for your birthday. Best gift ever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Dara! 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 Dara!
Ang cute niya umiyak.
Dara! 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 Ah.
To celebrate my birthday with 21 and with
Ah.
Black Jacks on stage, and
Ah.
after that is content.
Ah. We love
I
you.
was not used to spending my birthday by myself, and now we're here again together.
Ah, don't cry. Don't cry, Dara.
To be with you guys forever.
We love you.
21 Black Jacks forever!
Tain na naman Dara eh.
Sali ba kami dyan?
Don't cry, Dara. Am I in or out? Am I in or out? Sana'y okay sa'yo at di ako magtatago kung in ako or out sa puso mo.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, lagi ako nandito sa Manila, di ba? Parang in every month, nandito ako, pero
Incomplete.
iba talagang Manila pagkasama ko sila. Marami rin kaming memories sa Philippines, di ba? Do you remember we went to Bicol for our Nico photo shoot?
Yes.
We really love Filipino food, right? Minzy, what is your favorite food?
I like
Sisig.
yes.
So, what do you like? Ah, gambas. Yeah, your favorite food is gambas. How about you?
I mean, but look at her crying and then talking about food right away.
because
That's very Dara.
I'm hungry.
Okay, girl, that's too much information.
Oh, yeah, I'm not hungry. Yeah.
There's a lot to say and there's a lot of fun stuff, but
Yes.
she's been talking about how she's so emotional and blessed and happy to be back here, her hometown, with us. It's been such a long time and we feel so blessed. You know, it's such a trip and such a different experience when we come with her. And I feel like we're so welcomed, and whenever we come here, we feel like we have a family and a fan base here. And, you know, you guys' energy is a lot, and so Blackjack and so us, and you guys give us so much energy. So we feel very blessed, and it's such a fun memory to be celebrating her birthday here.
Yeah, it's really special.
It's really, really special.
I'm not gonna forget this moment forever. Ayoko umuwi. I don't wanna go home.
Stay.
Wala akong uwi!
You can stay.
Wala
She'll
akong
be
uwi!
here.
Wala
We'll go
akong
home.
uwi!
Okay, she has nothing to say. Do you wanna say happy birthday to like some message to Dara though?
Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Bye, Tita Boom.
Bye, Kita.
Oh, by the way, since we're in Manila, Minji and I, we are the main dancers of 21, right? So we want to dance to a famous dance challenge in the place of everyone.
Okay, we sit and watch.
Okay, you sit and watch. And honestly, Minji, I forgot the steps. I'm gonna copy you, okay?
Yummy.
Yes, okay. Kasi kanina ko lang ito natuto. And then, para mas masaya, sabayin natin yung mga dancers natin. Please come in! Ang mga gwapang opa!